Hi guys, it's Laura and Farmer Mad Mimi all at the same time from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And I played a little bit of Farmer Mad Mimi and I played a little bit of Laura today. It was kind of fun. So I played Laura first when I had to sign my life away for taxes. Yeah, we won't go there. And then I also played Laura again when I went shopping. And I bought, are you ready for this? 2 shamrock plants. Yeah, stupid me left them in the truck. So I'll have to show those whenever I get them out of the truck. And then Farmer Mad Mimi came and played for a little bit. And Farmer Mad Mimi bought food for the goats, the chickens, ducks, and geese. Farmer Mad Mimi bought 2 50-pound bags of whole wheat seeds, 1 50-pound bag of whole barley seeds, 1 50-pound bag of whole oat seeds. What else did I get? Oh, 2 40-pound bags. No, 1 40-pound bag of chicken starter, 2 50-pound bags of scratch grains, and 2 40-pound bags of textured goat feed. I think that they will be, I think that might last them maybe 2 months, maybe a month, and no, not even, maybe about a month. Why am I thinking 2 months? Yeah, my animals are hogs. And that will be in addition to the fresh green tree stars, also known as leaves from the trees. And they will go for walks. The goats will go for walks to eat lots of brush because they love to eat brush. Now, Laura came back and Laura was really sad. She was very, very happy to watch almost all of YouTube with their hauls of yarn. And so I told my husband, you know, it's been a long time since I bought yarn and I'm feeling the urge. So I went and I bought some yarn. Small, for me, small amount of yarn. So for the first time, and I can't tell you how long, I went to Michael's. And they had the most obnoxiously gross smelling hand sanitizer that we had to use going in. And I even said, I have my own. Can I use my own? But I guess theirs is better than mine. I don't know, but it was just the most disgusting thing I ever smelled in my life. So I bought this book. And I thought that I had this one, and I might even have this one. But while I was looking through my books, I didn't see it. So I went ahead and I bought it. It might be downstairs. If it is, I will have 2 of them. And I wish they had had this in crochet, but they didn't. And since I'm still learning how to knit, I thought that I would try to give these a try. They don't look too hard. They might though. But little dishcloths, or not dishcloths, little dresses for your soap, for your dish soap bottles. I just thought they were cute. So I got that. And last time I was in Michael's, they didn't have any of this coastal cotton, so I got these two. They're the color, what are they, pink or pink rose? And let's see, it is hand wash, do not bleach for cotton. Alrighty, dry flat. Well, what is in here? 90% cotton and 10% acrylic. Huh. I wonder why you have to... I should have read that because I might not have gotten it then. But it was pretty, so I thought that I could make something with it. I only got two. That'll be enough to make something with. Maybe. Alrighty, so I got those. And I got 3 of these, of the cotton colors. And I got them in the color Sunrise. So it has some pink and orange and lighter pink and some darker pink. And it looks like some browns. And I got 3 of these. It has kind of a goldish color in it too. Not really my color, but it's all good. The other one just fell on the floor in the bag. But yeah, there's those. And these are, I have no clue. Machine wash warm, dry flat. Really? It's cotton. Cotton what? It's not, doesn't feel like 100% cotton. But I don't see I don't know. It doesn't, I don't see where it said what it's made out of. It just says the machine wash. So yeah, I got, kind of feels like cotton. Got 3 of these, but here's 2 of them. And here is the 3rd. It has more of the orange showing. So that's my Michael's haul. A whole 5 things of yarn. I would have gotten 3 of these, but they only had 2. So I think 2, I'll be able to make something with 2. And then after I left Michael's, I went to Joann's. And it's been forever since I've been into Joann's too. So I thought while I was out and about that I would go to Joann's. And I need to teach them how to tie bags. Because I wasn't planning on going there, so I didn't bring my own bags with me. But I got all stuff that I've never used before. So I didn't have to worry about getting something that I already had. But I got this Crochet World magazine. And I got the Interweave Crochet magazine. I didn't look at them, I just picked them up. And I got Crochet Gifts to Go magazine. Hope there's something in there that I want. And then I was like, this kind of looked interesting, so I got this Crochet Now. And it had some little bobbins. So I thought that was kind of cute. So I will find out. Has a chance to win something too. Did I get a coupon? 50% off one regular price item. Ooh, and 25% off my total purchase. I'll have to put those in my wallet.
Errands, huh?
What?
Errands, huh?
I did do errands. I came back with a whole bunch of poundage of food, didn't I?
Yeah, and I'm making burgers first.
Awesome. Okay. So, oh, I got another book. Actually, I thought I got another one. And I got a little rug book. I have a whole bunch of stuff, yarn that I need to use, and this will help with that. Okay, so unfortunately, only one set of stuff in here was on sale. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for this. That would have been cheaper, I think, ordering it online from Lion Brand, but I like to see the colors. Once I see the colors in person, then I can order them from there. But I did get some of the Summer Kiss, and of course, you know, I had to get it in orange, and they call it mango. I got 3 of these so I can make something. I don't know what, but let's see what this says about. It says it is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 262 yards, 80% cotton, 20% polyester, size 4, and it is washable and dryable. So that's kind of cool. The color's not showing it justice in here, but that's all right. I got 3 of this beautiful orange. Maybe I'll stick these for right now. Okay, and then I got some of this, the ice cream cotton blend. I've never used this either, and it's a beautiful orangey pink color, and it's called Orange. Huh, go figure. And it is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 225 yards, 47% cotton, and 53% acrylic. And it is washable and dryable. I just thought these were pretty. I got 2 of those. Don't know what I'll make, but I'm sure I'll find something that can make the 2 out of 2 of those. Okay. Then I saw this. The True Boo. I thought that I had bought some of this, but I think I might have put it in a box for somebody. I'm not sure because I don't see it around. But this is orange. And this is, what color is this? What do they call it? Marigold. And this color is tangerine. And this color is yellow. I thought that would make a cool something together. In this lighting, they look terrible together. But in all honesty, they look really, in real lighting, they look nice. And this is 100% rayon from bamboo. And it's a 3 light. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 241 yards, or 220 meters. And it is washable, but lay flat to dry. So I got those 3 to do something with. And then, this is the last of it, the last 4. And these were the only things that were on clearance. But I thought these 4 went together pretty well to make something with too. gosh, you're so loud. This is the NACO, I guess NACO, N-A-K-O. It was on clearance for $1.97. And it doesn't have a color name, but this one is color 3107. And this one is 275. And this one is 1473, I think. And then this, I'm just calling this white. But I thought the four of those would go together pretty well. So I got these four on clearance, each for $1.79, I think. For Fairbanks, that's good. So yeah, that's, and I don't even know what this stuff is made out of. What is it made out of? It's 100% premium acrylic. Looks like it's a size 3, it's saying, I think. And it's, I think it's hand wash, lay flat to dry. No, I can wash it, but it has to lay flat to dry. 100 grams, 240 meters. So what's that, about 280, maybe close to 300 yards. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I got these 4 colors. So yeah, I went outside the orange box. So those are my colors. Aren't they cool? And these are my other colors. And these are my other ones I got. I did some orange shopping today. But, yep, that's all. So, thanks for watching. And, oh, I acquired a Tootsie Roll, too. Actually, I acquired like 5 or 6 of them, and I haven't eaten one yet. But I'm thinking very hard about eating this one. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.